Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, we're going to talk about a few things, talk about a few stock, a few crypto, and how you could save money on taxes with your investing. Hey, I'm here in LA. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys tonight. But first, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and all if you're here for the first time, okay? And come join this family known as Stock Up. Hey, tonight, meet us here in LA at the Coffee Connection, 3838 South Centinela, I believe that is, Avenue, Los Angeles, okay? That's from 5:30 to 8:30 p.m. tonight. There will be food and drinks for you to purchase, okay? My guy, my boy, my buddy, Stocks with Josh will be joining me tonight on this tour. And then tomorrow I will be in Dallas from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. at the Opening Bell Coffee House, all right? This is so cool how this place was started. That's 1409 Botham Jean Boulevard, Botham Jean Boulevard. That's in Dallas. Again, food and drinks will be available for you to purchase. I'm doing this on my own time and on my own dime. I am going to play a video of the remainder of this tour at the end of this video. Let's get right into it, good people. Hey, I gotta see. All right, I gotta see. All right, so here, let's go. Make sure that you are investing in yourself by taking this Stock Up You course, okay? Stock Up You course, right? Listen, learn from the best. Learn from myself, Stocks with Josh, Options with Keenan, and myself and Josh. And we got Stock Curry, Mommy Trader with dividends. And listen, invest in yourself. Let's just keep it going from there. Let's look at the market, where the market is right now. You know what? No, let's talk about this. And then we'll look at where the market is. All right, good people? So a lot of people were asking about a Roth IRA. I was talking about a Roth IRA, which is a retirement fund, right? I suggest that you do these in a legacy broker. That's just me, all right? Yes, I have links below for Moo, and I want you guys to download it and fund it. I got links below for Weeble. I want you to download, put a minimum of $100 in both of those. Yes, that's fine. But when it comes to your retirement, I have my retirement in a legacy broker. I use Fidelity. And for those of you that don't understand what a Roth IRA is, it is a retirement fund that you can partake of. I'm talking about you guys, especially if you don't have a 401k on your job and you think it's too late. You're 30, you're 40, you're 50, you're 60, you're 70. You can start investing in a retirement fund, and you could trade stocks. So for those of you that are in your 30s, I suggest you start out with a Roth IRA. Legacy brokers like Fidelity, Schwab, TD Ameritrade, those type of platforms, all you have to do is pick up the phone and call them, and they will walk you through step by step on how to set it up. Once it's set up, it's just like any other trading account. You see your buys, your sells, anything. So you could trade in a Roth IRA. But the cool thing about it is when you go to pull it out, if at the age of 59 and a half, and you have to have it for a minimum of 5 years, when you go to withdraw your funds, then you don't have to pay taxes on that. As a matter of fact, a lot of people don't know that in a Roth IRA, you could take funds out, less the gains, and don't get taxed on that before 5 years or before the age of 59 and a half. A lot of you guys didn't know that. Because you can, if it's money you put in and you didn't make gains on it, it's your money and it's still tax free. Make sure you check out everything, but check this out. Look below here, and look for 2023. They've raised the amount that you could put into it. So for 2023, the total contributions you make each year. Look at this: in a traditional IRA and a Roth, and this is what I was talking about, can't be more than $6,500 a year, okay? And then $7,500 if you're the age of 50 or older. So if you're 50 or older, they let you catch up in your contributions. So if you're 50 and over, you can put up to $7,500 a year. Now, for those of you that are new, what I suggest in your Roth IRA, I suggest you just do the overall stock market. I suggest that half of it is you want to think smart, right? You don't want to be gambling with that and put all risky stock in there. No, that's where you want to put your VOO, which is the S&P 500. That's where you want to put your VTI, which is the overall stock market. All right, those are easy dollar cost average for many years. Build your retirement type of stock, and then look at high dividend paying stocks. Okay, stocks that pay you, like ticker symbol SCHD, which are ETFs that pay a good dividend. And so what I also do to add a little risk, and I know some people don't like ARK, but ARK is going to be double, triple what it is down the road. When ARKK gets beat down, I put some in my retirement because it's going to dance. Now, remember, for me personally, over half is VOO and VTI. All right. So I just want to put you guys up on this. This is something I want you guys to know, and I want you to invest. This is not trading. This is investing. And this is how you truly build generational wealth. Okay. So I'm going to look at a few things. I'm going to keep this one really short. Let's look at Tesla. I'm going to tell you guys right now, right? So this month is traditionally the worst trading month of the year. Traditionally, it's just not a good trading month. Now, you're going to hear on all the news, CNBC, Fox Business, and all of this, now that we have what appears to be selling off, right? The Dow is down at the time of this. I'm looking at CNBC on the TV right now, about 146 points, right? This is expected. This is what I've been talking about. This is a cool off month, right? And it's almost a self-fulfilling prophecy because it's expected to be a down month, and it will be a down month because people are pulling out, doing profit taking, okay, and having cash ready. Now, here's the deal about the end of this year. No one knows where the market is going to end up, high or low. No one knows. So because the market is taking a whooping, all you're going to hear is negativity, right? But if next month the market starts going up, all you're going to hear are bulls on CNBC, Fox Business. It's just the news cycle, good people. And so if the year comes up high, ends higher, which it traditionally does, then the time to start investing is when the market is down. So look at here. If Tesla, and I don't even have, we'll talk with Stocks with Josh later and do a deep technical, he is the best technical analyst out there. If Tesla gets back down into the 215, 216 range, $2.16 range, that's where I'm going to start buying, because it could pop back up, right, to the 229 range, right, by the end of the year or higher, right? And so just that movement, look at that. That's a 26% gain if it goes from the lows of 216 back up to that point. You see there? That's a 26%. So if it goes back to 215 and just get back up to the 293 at the end of the year, you're talking about a 26% gain. Now, Larry, that's 26% gain. Good people, 20 to 25% is gains. And that is traditionally where you should be doing what? Profit taking. Now, I'm not loading up on all, just getting all of the Tesla I want at that point, but I will start to buy at that point, right? And no one knows when and if a recession is coming. So if a recession comes, no one has a crystal ball. People always say, hey, you look like you're excited about the recession. I want you guys to know that we can't have a true bull market until we have a correction or a recession. We just can't. These are the cycles that I'm going to do another video on the cycles of the market. These cycles have to happen. It's like a wheel, right? It's a wheel rolling, and until it makes a round, what's happening? It's going around and it's coming back again. The stock market is the same way. If you keep eating, eventually you're going to have to pass, right? You're going to have to go to the washroom, right? And at some point, you can't start eating again until you take a dump. And I'm just shooting it to you straight. So the market has to take a dump at some point, good people. So just understand this market that we are in. All right. Hey, let's go to Bitcoin first before I get to that. Nah, you know what? Let's go to Disney first. All right. Disney. Remember, I've been saying, and so has Stocks with Josh been saying, $80, right? $80 is where we are looking at. And it's at 81. It's just coming down. The truth about Disney is a lot of institutions, not retailers. A lot of institutions are not touching it. And a lot of retailers are not touching it. And so it's going down, 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 down. Now, I know if you have a moral problem with Disney, then you should not buy it. But I believe that the person that got Disney into all of this moral issue, which is the old Bob, they got rid of him, and now they got Bob Iger back. And he may only be there for a short period. And I believe that they're going to revamp, get back to their core value, get back to their core customer, and get their act together, right? And I believe that Disney will be a valuable business yet again. So there is a point where you can buy it if you're morally cool with that. This is not one stock that fits all, right? And so I said, yeah, I'll start nibbling at 85 down to 80. But the truth be told, Disney can drop down into the 70s because a lot of institutions now are just not touching it because Disney keeps getting into these stupid battles, right? So be careful about loading up, but I am getting some for long term, right? Down the road for when they get their act together. Let's keep it moving, right? Bitcoin. I am continuing to DCA into Bitcoin in the $25,000 range. That means 25.5-ish. So 25.7, I get a little bit. 25.5, I buy a little more. $25,000 range for me right now is a buy for me. So it's 25.7. I'll probably nibble a little bit more. I'm not telling you what to do. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. But this is just me, right? Because it's just hovering on support right here in the $25,000 range. And it's just a good buy area for me. I believe that when all of this stuff gets worked out with our government, blah, 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 they can't stop Bitcoin. I'm not going to go into that again. Whether you like it or love it, it is a buy range for me. I'm personally buying. I'm letting you guys know that right now. Okay. Let me know what you think. Is this a buy range, right? And Shiba-inu. Yep. The Inu is back. Remember, I've been constantly saying that I'm buying Shiba-inu in the sevens, okay? 5 zeros in the sevens. Remember, for those of you that are new, this 0 before the dot does not count. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros and then a 7. And then after the 7, I don't care if that 7 is a 9. I don't care if that 7 is a 0. If it's 5 zeros and a 7, then that's where I buy. That's me. Because remember where it ran up to last year? It ran up to, remember? So somebody let me know where it topped out. That's the homework. Where did Shiba Inu top out last year? And here's the homework. Think about this now. Now remember, small cap, small stock, small money. Big stock, big money, okay? So I'm not telling you to load up because it could go lower than this. I'm just nibbling, DCAing, and accumulating because that's the phase that we are in. We are in the accumulation phase. Now, the homework is someone tell me right now if you bought Shiba Inu right now, 5 zeros and a 764, and it gets to last cycle's highs. Tell me the percentage of how much that would be. if it just got to last cycle's high, which it could blow past that this cycle, but tell me what that percentage will be, because you will see, you will have a big aha moment. Okay, good people? So, hey, remember, I want you guys to check out Moo and download it. Get your free stock, 16 free stock. Partake of all of that. It's free money. Let's load up. Let's get it going. And then, of course, we have the Stock Squad. And now, good people, make sure that you join me and Josh tonight at the Coffee Connection, 3838 South Centinela Avenue, Los Angeles, from 5:30 to 8:30. And then tomorrow in Dallas. Look at this video, and at the end of this video, make sure you check the links out, okay? We'll see you tonight, good people. We love you, and come ready to ask anything. We want to take pictures and all of that, all right? Live, love, laugh, and learn.